love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning. It's Sunday, the 28th of July, I believe.
Yep.
Oh, wow. I guess it helps to look at the calendar before we leave. And there's Bob and Amy in front of us. They said they're taking us to a new restaurant. So we have no idea. So stay tuned. Another dining ride.
Yeah.
Lunch ride. Fill the belly ride. Well, it's supposed to be a beautiful day. It's supposed to be hot. It's already 80 degrees just before 11 o'clock. It says 10:51, 84 degrees at the bank. On the bike I got 80 degrees. Okay, so stay tuned. Thanks for coming along with us. Okay, we're on Route 58 coming out of Sligo. You said that right?
Yeah.
And we don't know where we're going. We still don't have a clue. Well, that's normal for most of our rides anyway. Oh, there's a ghost house for us, dear. And it's still a beautiful day. So stay tuned. We'll let you know as we progress in our lunch tour. Oh, we're going over the Parker Bridge and the Allegheny River. It's on Route 368. We're on Parker's Pike Road. Nice. Good road. I think so. This is too long for the deer to be poking around, which is good. Whee! Like a big roller coaster. I think this is 58. Yep. Nice. Okay, we're coming into Harrisville. We're on 56 or 58 and Route 8. Yeah, this is 58. Oh, we're going into a Sheets. I think we're in Grove City. Okay, that's where we are. Okay, Iron Bridge Inn. Okay. Well, I am stuffed.
Good, because I didn't have anything out for dinner tonight.
I'm ready to take a nap. You driving, babe?
I could.
Okay. Here, take over. Oh, what an excellent meal. Well, my fish sandwich was delicious. It was huge. They got two good restaurants within a mile of each other. And they're both doing booming. Good. All right. We don't know where we're going from here, but I'm sure it's going to be nice. I have, well, that's good the bike was parked in the sun, I hope. Yeah, it just went down. It said 100, it just dropped down to 98. Yeah, we're on 208. And we're not too far from Ohio. Last time I looked at the map. So I don't know where we go. Where did he say we're going?
Boland.
Bowland. That's related to bowling?
No, it's related to Volta.
All right. Look at that view. Well, we can honestly say we've never been in this part of Pennsylvania.
Nope. That was a cute little town. Some nice gift shops and distillery. What's the name of it? Boland.
Now, on to the next. Wherever that might take us. Oh, sweet home. We got 93 degrees on the bike. It was our toasty one today.
And I'm so glad I put the air conditioner on before I left.
Yes, it is good. Yeah, we put it on for the puppies. Okay, thanks for coming along. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and I gotta stay here.